Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to use pepper spray on this blow up mannequin. This is a thumb activated pepper spray, and the way to use this is to get a nice firm grip on it so that the pepper spray can't be taken away. And then it has the safety here, which you use your thumb to swivel to the right, and now this pepper spray can be used. There's the exposed nozzle, and then what you do is just press down with your thumb. Don't use your index finger on these. Some people want to do this. Don't do that. This pepper spray can easily be removed if you don't have a nice firm grip. This is not a strong grip. This can be taken from you if you grip it like this and use your index finger. Use your thumb. All right, I'll lay that to rest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step back because this is way too close to pepper spray someone. This would likely get in my eyes even with glasses on. So I'm going to step away. The best way to pepper spray is to pepper spray ear to ear. That way the eyes and the nose will both get hit with the spray. You want to make sure you get both eyes because pepper spray causes involuntary blindness. I'm going to let this mist go away before I come back into camera. Now that your attacker has been sprayed ear to ear, he has a good dose of pepper spray in his eyes and his nose and his lungs. His eyelids won't open, his eyes are in searing pain, and so are his lungs. He might even think he's choking, but he's not choking. He can breathe just fine. Sometimes police have to tell people to breathe like normal because they won't, because they think they can't. So if you ever hit with pepper spray, just know that you can still breathe and you will be fine, and the pain will end at some point. Pepper spray doesn't last forever. However, he is still dangerous. Your attacker can come at you at the last place he remembers you, which will be where you sprayed him. What you want to do is run away. Run away at about a 45-degree angle away from him. So what you want to do is, as long as he's not super close to you and can't grab you, you want to turn around and run away from him at about a 45-degree angle. Also, when you're gripping your pepper spray, don't block the nozzle with your index finger. You'll wind up spraying your finger and not the eyes and nose of your attacker, so make sure your grip doesn't go over the nozzle. If you like this video, give me a like and a subscribe. It helps keep me motivated, and check out my blog with the link in the description below.